In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save Docusign envelopes in the easiest way possible. If you're new to Docusign or simply looking for a streamlined method to securely save your envelopes, you've come to the right place. Let's dive right in and get started. First, we'll head over to the Docusign website. To access your documents, you'll want to make sure you are on the official Docusign platform, widely recognized as the leading platform for electronic signatures and intelligent agreement management. Once you're there, you'll see the option to log in. Click on the login button, which is typically located at the top right corner of the homepage. After clicking, you'll be prompted to enter your credentials. Make sure you have your login information handy, as you'll need it to access your Docusign account. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to your Docusign homepage. From here, you'll see various options to manage your documents. We're going to focus on saving an envelope today, so let's begin by clicking on Start. This option is usually visible on your dashboard, guiding you to prepare new documents or access existing ones. Now that you're in the right place, it's time to add details to your envelope. You'll need to input all necessary information, such as the recipient's email addresses, the document title, and any other relevant details. This context ensures all parties involved know what the document is about and who it's being sent to. Once you have filled in all the information, the next step is to upload the documents you want to send. Click on the Upload button, which allows you to browse your device's files. You'll then need to select the documents from your computer or device that you wish to include in your Docusign envelope. After selecting your files, the next action is to click on the desktop option if your documents are stored there, further helping you organize where your documents are being uploaded from. This step keeps your workflow smooth and efficient. Following that, click on Next. This button will guide you through to additional settings where you can make adjustments to the document fields. This is where you can review and finalize your document settings before saving. Lastly, to save your progress, click on Actions and then choose Save and Close. This step ensures all information entered and documents uploaded are securely stored within your Docusign account. By doing so, you have successfully saved your Docusign envelope, and you're now ready to send it or manage it as you please. We hope this step-by-step guide has simplified the process of saving envelopes in Docusign. Thank you for watching, and don't hesitate to explore other features Docusign has to offer for a more efficient document management experience.